Welcome to Think Hub, where we dive deep into the creative genius shaping our world, one idea at a time. There's something nostalgic about the sound of chalk scraping against a blackboard. For decades, it was the heartbeat of classrooms around the world. But in today's schools, those iconic blackboards are becoming a thing of the past. So, why did blackboards start fading out? And why did they turn green in the first place? To understand why blackboards are disappearing, we need to look back to their origins. In the early 19th century, classrooms around the world relied on blackboards made of slate, a durable, flat, and easily available material. These boards revolutionized teaching by giving educators a large surface to convey information to many students at once. But there was one small problem: chalk dust. Chalk was cheap and effective for writing, but the dust left behind? Not so much. It would stick to the surface of the blackboard, creating a cloudy haze and a mess that was hard to clean. Over time, educators and manufacturers began looking for alternatives to reduce this dusty dilemma. By the mid-20th century, a game-changing alternative appeared: the green board. Unlike the black slate boards, these new boards were made from steel and coated with a porcelain enamel that gave them their signature green color. They were lighter, easier to clean, and more durable than the old blackboards. But the real innovation wasn't just in the material, it was the color. Studies showed that green was much gentler on the eyes than black. The lighter background provided better contrast with chalk, making the writing clearer and reducing eye strain for both teachers and students. This was especially important in classrooms, where students spent hours focusing on the board. With these advantages, green boards quickly became the standard in schools across the globe. Not only did they reduce the visibility of chalk dust, but they also erased much more cleanly than their black counterparts. Green boards became a symbol of modern, efficient classrooms. But just as blackboards gave way to green boards, a new wave of technology started to take hold. In the late 20th century, whiteboards emerged, using dry erase markers instead of chalk. These boards eliminated the dust problem completely and offered a smoother, cleaner writing experience. Green boards, much like blackboards before them, started to fade into the background. Whiteboards brought a new level of convenience. The ability to use multicolored markers, their smooth surface, and the fact that they didn't require chalk meant they were quickly embraced by schools, offices, and universities alike. No more messy chalk, no more eye strain, and no more ghostly smears on the board after erasing. Fast forward to today, and even whiteboards are being replaced by digital smartboards. These interactive screens let teachers use multimedia tools, share online content, and engage students in ways that old green boards and blackboards could never dream of. The humble blackboard has now evolved into something that not only displays information, but also enhances how we learn. So, while blackboards and their green successors played a pivotal role in shaping modern education, they're slowly becoming relics of the past, symbols of simpler, more analog times. The classroom has evolved, and with it, the way we teach and learn. It's incredible to think how far we've come, from dusty blackboards to high-tech smartboards. But next time you see one of those old green boards, remember that they were once the cutting edge of classroom technology. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell for more fascinating stories behind the technology we use every day. See you in the next one.